Hello everyone, welcome to Mammoth Interactive's Introduction to Input in Unity. What we want to achieve in this video is to make a very simple use of input system, so we can listen for key presses to make this cube to look to the left, to the right, and also to move forward. And we're going to press the space button to make this cube to move up, okay, to basically jump. And also, something that is used on several games is a system with multiple cameras. So if you click with the mouse button, you're able to see the cube from different points of view. Okay, you can look from forward, from the left, you can look from the top, and you can also look in a camera that chases the player. Okay, so these are real life scenarios, and you're going to use this a lot in different games. Again, commercial games that you see on stores, and also on virtual reality games. It's going to be very useful. My name is Glaucopidis, and I've been working in the game industry since 2010. So throughout the years I've worked with several engines and programming languages. So I've worked with Unity, Unreal, I've made Flash games, I work with HTML5 games as well, and I work with C#, Java. So I have a lot of experience that I acquired in these years, and I would like to share this experience with you in order for you to learn how to do these simple interactions here in the best and simplest way possible. Okay, so if you don't have Unity yet, you can just go to the unity3d.com webpage, download the personal version. Okay, it's free, there's no need to pay for anything. And after that, in the next video, we're going to learn how to make a new video and start working on input. Okay, what is input, why it is important to use it, and how can we access it. So I hope you're excited to start this, and I see you soon.